Hi, I am Hiral. Welcome to our channel Computer Saarthi. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello children, today we are going to learn about how can we use the computer. Let's start. We all are aware with the computer that computer is a very important machine. We can work on the computer only when the computer is switched on. So it is a very important to know how to start a computer and how to shut down a computer. Improper starting and shutting down of a computer creates a problem. Let us learn how to switch on and off a computer. First one, starting the computer. Look at the pictures carefully and follow the step to start a computer. The step 1, switch on the main power supply button. As you can see, the teacher instructs a student that he first have to switch on the main power supply button. Second step, switch on the power button on the UPS. As you can see in the picture, here the teacher instructs the student that he has to first switch on the power button on the UPS. Next, switch on the power button on the CPU box. In this picture, you can see the teacher instructs a student that he switch on the power button on the CPU box. Step 4. Switch on the power button on the monitor and wait until the computer starts. Here the teacher instructs a student that he has to switch on the power button and off the monitor and wait until the computer starts. Now you can see in the picture that a monitor screen is appeared. It means that the computer is ready to use. Desktop. As you can see in the picture, this is known as the desktop. The screen that appears on the starting the computer is called the desktop. As you can see in the computer, the first starting screen of the computer system is known as the desktop, that is visible in our image. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. As you can see in the image, the icons available on the desktop, that means the small picture that on the desktop are called the icons. Next one is a taskbar. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. As you can see in the picture, a desktop contains one thin blue bar at the bottom of it. That means that blue bar is known as the taskbar. The button on the left of the taskbar is the start button. As you can see in the picture, the desktop contains the taskbar and the taskbar contains the start button on the extreme left of it. These things are available on the desktop, that is icon, taskbar and the buttons. Now, let us learn about how to shutting down a computer. Closing the computer means to shut down or the turn off the computer. After completing our work on the computer, always remember to close the computer. This option, that means the shut down option, closes all the open programs. For shutdowning a computer, just click on start button. You can able to see the shutdown option here. Just click on it. You can see our computer is going to be shut down. Parts of a computer. You already learned about the monitor, keyboard, mouse and the CPU, right? Now today we are going to learn about printers, speakers, scanner and the UPS, the other parts of the computer system. First one is a printer. By using printer, we can able to take the print on the paper that we can see on the monitor screen. Next one is the speaker. We all are aware with the speaker. By using the speaker, we can able to listen music and the sound. Next is a scanner. By using the scanner, we can put our pictures into the computer system. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. By using this UPS, we can use the computer for some time when the electricity goes off. We all are aware with the computer system that a computer is works on the electricity. After power goes off, we can able to use the computer system by using this UPS, that is uninterrupted power supply. The other parts of the computer system are CD, hard disk and the pen drive, which are used for the store our work. As you can see in the picture, the CD drive is placed in the CD drive, which is fixed inside the CPU box. Hard disk. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. Pen drive. Pen drive is put into the USB board, which is fixed inside the CPU box. Thank you.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.